Hi, my name is Evan and I'm with Fairway Green, and today we're going to show you how to properly measure the water coming out of your irrigation system. So a few reasons why you always want to measure the water coming out of your irrigation system is cost and to make sure you're getting correct coverage. With the cost is if you're watering too much, you're wasting money, and if you're watering not enough and just putting down a little bit of water, you're wasting money. So that's why we suggest these measuring cups. Get them on Amazon, ship right to your house in 2 days, super duper easy. You set them up in the grid, turn your irrigation system on for a normal zone and water and see how much is in the system, in the measuring cups. If you have a 1/2 inch, you can do that 3 times a week. You always want to water deep and frequent so you can push that water through the soil profile so the roots chase it and you have nice healthy grass. So the way you set these cups up, we do them on a grid pattern. Grid's always the best so that you get a correct, accurate measurement. I like to do mine, probably 5 steps apart in a checkered pattern. 5 steps up, 5 steps out, and make a square with them in a grid. And again, you just want to do one zone at a time, water it for your normal time that you're watering for, and this will tell you how much you're putting down. Turn your irrigation system on for your normal time and see how much water's in there. If you're putting down a 1/2 inch on that one measuring time, you can do that 3 times a week, get you about 1.5 inches. So if you don't want to go on Amazon and buy these measuring cups, you can also use some tuna fish or cat food cans. You can set these out and do the same kind of thing. You're just gonna have to carry a ruler to measure it, but this will work as well. You want something that's shallow, wide, and heavy enough that the irrigation system is not going to knock it over once it hits it. So this is another option as well to use these if you have these laying around the house. Thank you for watching the video today. My name's Evan. If you will, please go to fairwaygreen.com to our website. You can see other tips and tricks. You can see our full program or anything else. You can also contact us on there if you ever need help or have questions about the lawn. So hope to see you guys here soon. Thank you very much.